Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's see what's cooking today. This is a very tasty snack recipe with corn that you can make for kids or anyone who loves corn. It's a very quick, easy and simple recipe that you can make instantly. Make it for kids after school snack, breakfast or just like that when you are hungry. Ready? Let's go. I'm using very few ingredients for this recipe to keep it simple. We will allow the cumin seeds to crackle first to release the flavor. Add the chilies as per how spicy you like and just saute for a few seconds. We will add a few curry leaves as they have their own unique flavor. These are fresh corn kernels, but you can use frozen too. I will saute these until mixed well. Now if you are using frozen corn, then thaw them at room temperature before using. The detailed recipe is in the description box below. Once they are mixed well, we will cover and cook them on medium-high flame for a few minutes for them to cook through. Wow, look at that! Awesome, right? Now here we will add fresh grated coconut to the dish to upgrade it, and once mixed well, we are good to go. Click the subscribe button for such yummy recipes I post every week. A final garnish and we are ready with the dish. A perfect snack or breakfast idea for corn lovers. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next week with another exciting recipe. Bye.